Another important aspect of the PRINCE2 method, and in the manual it's laid out in Appendix A, are the product description outlines. Now you'll learn in the next module that there is a key document called the Project Product Description, and this lays out the customer's quality expectations and the acceptance criteria, amongst other information, for the end product of the project. So that's the end goal, if you will. But remember, in any PRINCE2 project you will have specialist products. These are the products that make up the whole of the project product description, but also to help manage the project, if I can put it that way, and these are called management products. Now, in dealing with product description outlines, you will not find any product descriptions for specialist products, because obviously there must be an infinite variety. But what you will find is one outline called a product description, which can be used as a template for each project to use to develop a unique product description for each of its specialist products. However, when it comes to management products, these will be used time and again, and therefore you will find templates for example, the plan, the business case, benefits review plan, and so forth. So what you've got here are baseline management products, and these define aspects of the project that once approved are subject to change control. Take for example the PID itself, the Project Initiation Documentation. Once the project board approve this at the end of the initiation stage, in effect it is baselined. What that means is it cannot change without the appropriate approval, and it will be used to monitor, manage and control against. Here's the examples which you'll find in the manual within Appendix A. My intention here is merely to list them, as these will be dealt with within appropriate modules later in my PRINCE2 primer. Do you remember I said that specialist products would come in infinite varieties, but there is one template? It's this one here called a product description, upon which all such specialist products could have their product descriptions written. The next section is called records. Now these are dynamic management products that contain project progress information. You'll learn that there are 3 registers in PRINCE2. One called the issue register, which I mentioned briefly would also include any changes. The quality register, which covers all quality management aspects of the project, and the risk register, which captures information on the negative risk threats and the positive opportunities. The daily log is used as a diary for the project manager to record the minutiae of the day-to-day management aspects of a project, and the lessons log is used to record any previous and known lessons relevant to this project. The configuration item records, a bit of a mouthful. It's part of configuration management, and you'll have a configuration item record for each product, and that will contain status information for each product. The next section is on reports, and these provide a time-based snapshot of the status of certain project aspects. Just very quickly running through these, checkpoint reports are created by the team manager or the specialist team and given to the project manager, giving the progress of the product creation within each work package. The end project report, created by the project manager as a final report on all aspects of the project performance. The end stage report, similarly summarizing how the current stage performed, the status of key products such as the business case, and any risks and issues. An exception report is to bring to the attention of the next level of management when tolerance is forecast to be exceeded, so it forms an important part of the management by exception principle. A highlight report is created by the project manager and given to the project board at regular intervals during a stage, showing the progress of that stage. An issue report is used whenever an issue is dealt with formally, and this document would accompany the entry in the issue register itself. The lessons report is created by the project manager optionally at the end of each stage, but ultimately at the end of the project to show and capture the lessons that have arisen throughout the life of the project. And a product status account, despite its name, is indeed a report. The project manager, for example, would often request that those providing configuration management services to the project would create such a report showing the status on a range of products, for example all those that have the status of approved at the end of a stage.